So far in Spanish 1, everything that we've done has been in the singular. We've talked about single things, but now we're going to learn how to talk about plural items. To do that, we're going to need to know the articles. We've learned two kinds of articles. We learned the definite articles, and we've learned the indefinite articles. Definite articles are the word the in English. And of course, there's a masculine and a feminine form in Spanish. The masculine form of the is el, and the feminine form of the is la. That was as far as we got. But we could also have the in the plural form. The masculine plural form for the is los, and the plural feminine form is las. So if it's the and it's plural, we're going to use los or las. So where we had el escritorio for the desk, we have los escritorios for the desks. In order to do that, we're going to need to know how to make things plural. So to make things plural, if it ends in a vowel, we just add an S, like we did here. If it ends in a consonant, we're going to add ES. So, if I have el cartel for the poster, and I want to make it the posters, it becomes los carteles. We added ES to make it plural. And the last rule, if it ends in a Z, then we're going to change it to CES. So, if we add a word like el lápiz, and we want to have the pencils, it becomes los lápices with a CES. There is one or two of them that are special. Put a little star there. If we have el ratón for the mouse, it has an accent on it. But when it becomes los ratones, it loses its accent. And the other special one is el sacapuntas for the pencil sharpener. Because it's a compound word that actually means point maker, it looks like it's plural already. So when we go to make it plural, there is no such thing as sacapuntases. We make the article plural and we just leave sacapuntas as it is. So those are all the various ways to make things plural. Hopefully you got all of those, even though I erased a lot of them. In order to get full credit on your notes, you do have to have all of those examples, so please make sure they're there. Then we have our indefinite articles. Indefinite articles in English are a or am. And of course, there's a masculine and feminine form in Spanish, un and una. The plural form of this in English is the word some. I have a friend or I have some friends. So the plural indefinite in English is some. The plural indefinite in Spanish is either unos for masculine or unas for feminine. So if we want to say, I have some books, I would say tengo unos libros. I made the word books plural, and I made my article plural to match. Everything's got to match up in Spanish.